Hello, in this video, learn how you can connect to your local PC using remote desktop connection on your Windows 11 machine. Let's dive in. Hello, my name is Edmond Sarkodie. In this video, I'll show you how you can connect to your local remote computer using remote desktop connection on your Windows 11 machine. So if you are new to this channel and you are not yet subscribed, then click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video. On the start button or on the search button, you type remote desktop connection. A window will pop up. At first, before you can connect to a remote desktop PC, first you should know the remote desktop PC password and IP so that you can connect using remote desktop connection. So I type the remote desktop IP and I click connect. It will prompt me to type the password of the remote PC. After typing the password, you click on OK. This will connect to your remote desktop PC. This is my remote desktop PC. Then you can perform any tasks using your local PC. Thank you. If the video has been of help to you, kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and tap the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video. Thank you for watching.